Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, October 3rd, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-minis trading down about 4 points. So we are seeing the market give back a little bit of Friday's gains. Friday we did have a pretty good rally on our hands until the last candle of the day where we did see some selling. But nonetheless, the market on Friday did finish decently higher, and today we're seeing just a little gradual pullback here with the futures down about 4 points right now, trading at 21.56.5 per contract. But all in all, we'll see what this market gives us. Very often Mondays are light volume trading sessions, but we'll see what today brings. We do have a lot of stocks in the news today, and again, we'll take a look at the first one here. It's going to be Cabela's. CAB is the ticker symbol. Stock is being bought out by Bass Pro Shops. I believe it's for $64 a share, but you could check the news out yourself. If you own Cabela's, congratulations. If you do not own it, there's really not a lot you want to do here. Sit back, relax, trail your stop loss. That's all you could do. If you're looking to get into it, you cannot get into it now. It's too late. But great move here on Cabela's on the purchase by Bass Pro Shops. And again, there's really not a whole lot we could do with that one, but nice little pop. Let's take a look at Twitter this morning. TWTR is the ticker symbol here. Stock was trading all the way at 24.40, now at 23.75. It looks like the latest rumor now is that Google is in the mix to buy out Twitter. So every day we get a new person or a new company buying out Twitter. Last week was Microsoft and Salesforce, and now it's Google. So we'll see what it comes of it. But nonetheless, stock is trading decently higher. Closed at $23.05 on Friday. Trading at 23.75 now. Trail your stop loss. That's all you want to do. If somebody's really going to buy this out, hopefully they buy it out and you catch it. If they don't, you get stopped out with a profit. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at Tesla this morning. TSLA is the ticker. What you're going to see here is stock is upticking decently. Closed at 204.03. This morning it's trading at 212.40. This is a nice pop. It looks like there's news out on the stock that their third quarter deliveries are up. And nonetheless, it looks like the stock right now has a lot of resistance at 215 and then more at 221. So again, Tesla holding up very nicely this morning. Give it a slight upside bias from here. If you own it, trail the stop loss. Nothing we could do with it here as far as getting involved, but we will look at this, and we do play this very often in the intraday stock chat room. So if you want to trade it alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and we'll look at it there, and we'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at LVS, which is Las Vegas Sands. Stock is catching a pop today. I don't know the news behind this move, but this is an overbought equity. So good pop today. It's at 59.50 right now, closed at 57.54. So you got almost a $2 jump there. But I don't know the news here. Either way, this is an overbought equity. So it could trade up a little bit because the trend is up, but not a whole lot we could do with it. But we will be keeping it on the radar once the opening bell rings. Looking at some other casino names, Wynn Resorts, looks like that has caught a bit as well. So that closed at $97.42, trading at $100.63. And then you have MGM this morning, also ticking higher. This is trading at $26.49, closed at $26.03. So all the casino names are up this morning. Maybe it's on the back of some Macau news. I really don't know what the news is. But either way, all the casino stocks are higher today. Let's take a look at TASR, TASR. It looks like this stock is getting hit this morning, closed at $28.61 on Friday. It is trading at $26.20 right now. It looks like it is down on some news. Or a downgrade, I believe, and I think on Friday the news was that they did not get a contract in New York City for body armor. So either way, TASR trading lower. I am seeing some support around the $25 level if and should it get there. So we'll keep that on the radar today as well. Looks like eBay is trading higher this morning. Or trading lower this morning, excuse me. eBay right now trading at $31.77, closed at $32.90. So you got a little downtick there. I am seeing support for eBay around $29.70 if it gets there. So keep that on the radar today for a scalp long bounce at $29.70 should eBay trade down to that level. Let's take a look at Deutsche Bank because this is really what the market's all about. And Deutsche Bank right now trading at $13.04, closed at $13.04. 0.09. So Deutsche Bank is pretty firm this morning. This stock had a huge pop on Friday. That lifted all the major market indexes here as well as in Europe. And nonetheless, markets were rejoicing over the bounce in Deutsche Bank. Now, was it just a short squeeze, or are there more problems to come? I happen to think the latter, but we'll see how it plays out in the near term. So again, Deutsche Bank holding firm, but everybody should be keeping this stock on their radar because this is really the equity that is moving markets at the moment. Remember, if there's a problem in Deutsche Bank, there's also problems with the Italian banks, the Greek banks, and every other bank. So Deutsche Bank being the largest bank in Europe, I believe it's also the largest clearing firm as well. So again, we'll see how this one plays out, but Deutsche Bank holding firm this morning. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's take a look here at the gold market. Gold is trading higher by $1.50 today to $1,318 an ounce. You're going to see here the GLD, which is a good gold ETF, trading right now at $125.51, basically right where it closed on Friday. Crude oil is trading up 40 cents. Crude right now at $48.64. Crude is hitting a little resistance zone here, so just be aware of that. But nonetheless, oil is higher today, and we have to respect it. And if you take a look at the USO, that's trading at $11.09. I'm going to give this the upside bias to around 11 and a quarter, 11.22, somewhere in there. I think that's where it really hits a wall. So again, I don't expect too much higher for oil today, but you never know what kind of jawboning we're going to get out of OPEC or anybody else. So again, keep your feet grounded and listening to anything coming out of the oil markets, and we'll see how it plays out. All right, I think I covered everything that I wanted to get through today. We don't have a whole lot as far as earnings go today. Tomorrow we should get a little bit more, but either way, futures right now trading down about 5 points in the pre-market. And once again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We had a dynamite week last week. We're going to look to keep that going this week, and we're going to look to keep it going really into the end of the year. So with that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.